Smile. What is your name?
Cassandra Reindeer Libar.
How old are you, Cassandra?
5.
Okay. Are you grade 1 or kinder?
Kinder.
Okay. Face to your right. And smile. Okay. Face on the other side. And smile. Face on the camera. Okay. Do you know how to sing?
Yes.
Okay. What song?
ABC.
Okay. Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time we'll sing.
Okay. So now I want you to pretend you're eating a burger. So focus here on the camera. Okay, not them, not to me, on the camera. And be happy, okay? And action.
Sarap, sarap.
Again,
Sarap, sarap.
show me your happy face. Say, yes.
Yes.
Again,
Yes.
show me your sad face. Show me your surprise face. Say, wow.
Wow.
Smile.